but I'm gonna go over a couple holiday signs that'll be beneficial just to know. I'm going to type that. Happy holidays. It's with I made a mistake. It's with an H. Holidays. Happy holidays. Because there's different styles where you do this. If I'm leaning my body back, I'm standing break. I'm off. If I'm making a B, I'm standing vacation. So when I give a sign, I typically give other signs that are similar or the same to it, so you guys know the difference between all the different styles. Happy done. Happy new. You just slide your hand up. Years. Think of it as like the world, and you're going around the world. New Year's. Happy New Year's. And if you're gonna sign Happy New Year's Eve, you're gonna spell out E. Happy birthday. You start with your shin to your chest. Birthday. And there's many different ways to do birthday. And I'll also show the different way to do it. But that's the literal sign because this is being born, you're coming out. Birthday. And then Einstein birthday. But I think that's an older sign that people don't use anymore.